Welcome back. So witness, for continuation of your testimony before this commission of inquiries, may I remind you once again that you are still on the word before I hand you over to Madam Chair for us to proceed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair, over to you.
Mr. Leigh, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
You're welcome back.
Thank you.
Council, we will proceed.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. Now, we started discussing the vouchers in relation to the fish money and feeding provisions. Now, who is the cook that you had in council at the time?
She's
Binta Kinte.
Binta Kinte, exactly.
Now, Binta Kinte is not literate. You know this?
No, I don't.
You don't know?
No, I don't know.
You've ever heard Binta Kinte speak English language?
No, I do.
You've ever seen her write?
No, I did not.
Okay. Now, she can neither read nor write.
Okay.
But we have a request that was raised, written in English language with a pen.
Okay.
And thumb printed allegedly by Binta Kinte.
Okay.
And we have vouchers raised and signed by the Chief Executive Officer.
Okay.
That's you.
Okay.
The officer in charge of the vote. Let me show you this one.
Yes, I have seen it.
Now, who wrote that letter requesting for provisions?
Anyway, on the voucher is Binta Kinte.
Yes, but it's...
The claim also here is Binta Kinte. But
yes, true. But Binta Kinte, I had already told you, did not write that letter. Because she can neither read nor write.
Yes.
So, Mr. Leigh, someone in your office wrote that requisition.
Yes, I accept.
Why did you allow that to happen?
You know, this is in connection of their feeding.
Yes.
You see, even the dates are there, the following dates are there.
Right.
You see, and the amount is about 6,600.
Yes. Right. But you can't have Binta's name on the requisition suggesting or implying that she raised the request when that is not the case.
Yes.
And please speak into the microphone.
Yes, I will do that.
For the purpose of the record.
Yes, I will do that.
Yes, thank you. But you don't know who raised that request?
No, this voucher must be raised by the Director of Finance, Ablaya.
In the name of Binta?
In the name of Binta, yes.
And the request in the name of Binta?
Yes, and requesting in the name of Binta.
When that is not the case? Because she's only a cook.
She's always a, yes, she's always a cook.
She has no business, she has no interest in requesting for money.
This money is her fish money, the daily fish money that is given to her by the Director of Finance.
Yes, that's my point. My point is the process is implicating Binta when that's very unfair. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? She knows nothing about how monies are raised, authorized, and issued. She has no idea. All she knows at the time is that she has to cook for council.
Yes.
And that's what she will do on a daily basis.
Exactly.
But where the money is from, how it is raised, the process, these are innocent people.
Yes.
So to commit them, to have documents which will suggest that they are requesting for finance for the daily feeding, that would not be proper.
Okay.
You agree with that?
Yes, I agree.
And for all the vouchers I have here, I will show you the vouchers in relation to the fish money, the ones I have. But we know it had been going on every single day, all the time that you have been there as CEO.
Yes.
Right. And we have voucher number 003 021 000 459 21 000 877 for 9,425 and 21 00075 for 10,700. Are those vouchers raised during your time?
Yes, they are raised during my time.
And they are not properly raised as well? Into the microphone, please.
Yes, they are raised during my time.
And they are not properly raised as well. They are not duly authorized. Correct? The procurement officer was not involved in this.
But the procurement requisition form is attached to it.
Did the procurement officer sign? The necessary forms?
She did not.
Okay.
I did not see her signature here.
Yeah, so it means that she did not authorize, she didn't take part in this procurement. You agree?
Yes, I agree, but the vouchers are attached to it. The requisition form is attached to
You
it.
can have the forms. You are the CEO or the finance director. They can have all these forms. We have seen the director of planning engaging in procurement, but the procurement officer would have signed the necessary forms. You and I know that this did not pass through procurement, right? You'd already admitted to that.
Yes?
All the monies that you spend on feeding for the staff at Kerewan Area Council did not follow procurement procedures.
Yes.
Okay. We applied to tender the,
This one was not signed by me.
but did you authorize it in any
No,
form?
this one is CD's time. CD signed for it, not me.
Which year is that?
January 5th, 2021.
Okay. You took over in February.
In February, yes.
Okay. So, but we'll have it all admitted. It's Kerewan Area Council voucher, and we will only attribute to you the payments you have authorized during your time. Is that fair enough?
Yes, during my, yes, it's very fair.
Okay. We applied to tender the following Kerewan Area Council vouchers in relation to the daily feeding of the council staff into evidence as an exhibit. The first is a voucher with the number to 1,776. The second is to 1,877. The third is to 1,459. And the last one, which is during the time that CDK2 was the chair, was the CEO, the voucher number is 21000075. Has the date 5th of January 2021 into evidence as an exhibit.
The 5th of January 2021 with PV number KSC PV 21000075. The pay's name is Tanza Mini Market. Payment voucher dated the 31st of May 2021 with voucher number KACPV 21000459. The payee's name is Straza Mini Market. A payment voucher dated the 31st of May 2021 with voucher number KACPV 21000776. The payee's name is Binta Kinte. And the last voucher is dated the 31st of July 2021 with voucher number KACPV 21000877. And the payee's name is Tanzamini Market. These vouchers are admitted in a bundle as exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KEAC/LD. No, sorry, let me take that away. The vouchers are admitted in a bundle as exhibit in evidence, and they are marked as LGC/KEAC/SMKL/003.
As the commission places. Now, Mr. Leigh, we have believe one last voucher for the day.
Thank you.
We applied to tender a voucher with the number PV21781. It's a payment made to Hal Abide Trading. Payment supposedly made to Hal Abide Trading with the amount $500,000 for payment of 690 bags of 25 kilos of $725 each for council contribution to disaster windstorm that destroyed homes in NBR, North Bank region, into evidence as an exhibit.
The 8th of September 2021, with PV number KSC PV 21000781. The payee's name is Halal Abid Training. Is admitted in evidence as an exhibit, and it is marked as LGC/KEAC/SMKL/004.
As the commission places. So they have one last voucher here. The value is $5,000. It's the payee is your very self, Samba M.K. Leigh. It says payment for the cost of feeding during the handing over ceremony of council sub-treasury to the council by Gamworks. And you raised the request for $5,000 and signed the request 10th of May 2021. Please have a look at this voucher.
Yes.
What was that payment for?
This payment was for Gamworks when they were handing over that lodge that I was telling you.
Yes.
At Farafenye.
Right.
Then we bought some drinks and prepared lunch for them.
Now, why did you not follow the process, the correct process of raising vouchers? Who
Yes.
prepared that voucher?
I think this is is prepared by Mauro.
Mauro what?
Mauro Bande.
Did Mauro Bale sign that voucher?
No. The voucher is prepared by the claim. I am saying the claim is prepared by myself and signed.
Yes.
Yes.
You prepared the claim.
Yes.
And you approved the claim.
Yes.
And it was not vetted. No one scrutinized the claim. And no one signed the voucher except you.
Yes, I agree.
That's wrong.
Yes, I accept.
We applied for
But
that.
it was a big occasion on that day. All the councillors, everybody was there, you know.
Yes, but we need
Yes,
to know.
I accept.
We applied to have the voucher admitted into evidence and marked accordingly.
The voucher dated 1st of May 2021 with PV number KAC PV 21000609. The payee's name is Samba MK Leigh. This payment voucher is admitted in evidence as an exhibit and it is marked as LGC/KEAC/SMKL/005.
Ask the commission, please. Now I have questions for you, Mr. Leigh.
Thank you. Okay.
They will be very direct questions.
Okay.
Number one, you, during your time as CEO, have you taken loans for council, for the benefit of council itself, from the bank?
No.
Overdraft?
Come back again.
Overdraft.
I don't take any overdraft.
Overdraft.
Yeah.
No loan, no overdraft.
No loan,
contracted.
no loan, no overdraft.
Not you individually. I mean, for council.
Individually?
No. For
council.
Let's say you want to pay salaries, you've taken a loan or an overdraft.
Council, no.
Okay. Now, do you have a loan policy for the staff, where staffs benefiting from the loan, from loans issued to them? Credit facility?
That one, no, I cannot remember giving council's staffs loan, no.
Councillors?
No. We don't give a loan to councillors.
The chairman?
No.
Now, you have advisors in council, either to advise council or the chairman or the CEO in any matter?
No, we don't have advisors.
You don't?
No, I don't.
Consultants you have hired, either legal consultants or any form of consultant, like financial consultant or any form of consultants you have hired?
If I can remember, we hire only one consultant to prepare the financial statement for us. That was in 2021 or 2022?
And who is that consultant you hired?
The first name escaped from my mind, but the second name is Sanyang.
Something Sanyang?
Yes, something Sanyang.
What process was followed, do you recall, in hiring that consultant?
I don't hear.
What process was followed in hiring the services of that consultant?
Honestly, there was no ways follows. We just call him, I myself call him, talk to him that let him prepare that for us because it was needed by the auditors. There was no rules.
How much was he paid?
Well, now that escapes from my mind, but I think it's 50,000 or less than 50 or $40,000.
But you took the decision without following any process?
Yes, I took the decision, to be honest.
Why?
Why I was advised by my director that we should prepare that document.
Go ahead.
Which there was no means unless we call somebody, engage him for him to do it for us.
Financial statement?
Yes.
You have to pay a consultant for it? Really?
Not only the financial statement,
What else?
to prepare everything that should be prepared and handed over to the auditors.
What is everything?
From the financial statement, the bank statement, you see.
What about the bank statement?
The bank statement, you cannot do the financial statement without receiving the bank statements. So the director went.
What about the bank statement? What is there to prepare in the bank statement?
The bank statement, according to him, we need to bring the bank statements also so that he can go through the bank and know what to prepare this financial statement, according to him.
You cannot prepare the financial statement just by going through the bank statement.
No, not only that. He will go through the books,
Which
the
book?
cash book, the ledgers.
These are not accurate books of accounts. How can you have a financial statement?
I agree. It was not accurate, but this was what he requested from us.
So you
and it was given to him by the finance director.
Why would you pay someone to prepare a financial statement? You have a finance director. That's what they are paid to do.
That's true.
That's a salary that is much higher than the revenue collector because of the service.
That's true.
Extra qualification, extra pay.
Yes.
Is that not the case?
That's the case.
So why will you get pay, cancel extra money, a consultant extra money to prepare a financial statement, which would not be correct. It would not be accurate because you don't keep the correct records. So what would he be preparing? Fictitious numbers to present to the auditors?
Well, it was a request made by them, so this is why we try by all means to
meet up with the requirement.
Yes.
Have a financial statement.
Exactly.
And the financial statement would not be correct, would not be accurate.
I agree.
And that is why for all the area councils, the auditor will always have serious problem with respect to your financial statement.
Yes.
Because you don't have the necessary supporting books of accounts for them to verify figures that are stated in the financial statement.
Yes.
Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Yes. Now, do we have the voucher for that?
For the preparation of the financial statement?
Yes.
Unless if I contact the finance director, because when he prepared everything, he handed over all the documents to the finance director and we draw a check for him.
Yes.
Yes, I can fully remember.
So we will need those vouchers. Please write that down.
Well, that. Okay.
Now, just to tell you why the financial statement was not recognized by the auditor, in the Auditor General's report on the financial statement of the Kerewan Area Council for the year ended 31st December 2021, you can find that on page 28 of the report, the audit report. It reads, we have audited the financial statements of Kerewan Area Council for the year ended 31st December 2021. These financial statements comprise of revenue and expenditure statement, balance sheet and variance analysis report for the year then ended, and a summary of significant accounting policies and other explanatory information are set out on page 32 to 39. In our opinion, because of the significance of the matters discussed in the basis for adverse opinion section of our report, the accompanying financial statements do not present fairly the financial position of the entity as at 31st December 2021, and their financial performance and their variances analysis report for the year then ended in accordance with the Local Government Act and the Financial and Accounting Manual for Local Government Authorities. Says the basis for the adverse opinion that the following are the bases used for adverse opinion. Number one, understated closing bank balances. That the closing bank balance of $863,568.84 for the year 2020 were not recorded in the Council's IFMIS software cash book. This understates the cash book balance at the end of the year, resulting to misstatement of the cash and bank balances of the balance sheet. This would have easily been resolved by having a bank reconciliation. Number two, direct transfers. Direct transfers to the bank of $4,059,401 were not recorded in the cash book nor recognized in the financial statements. These were in respect of the revenue for taxes and license paid directly to the bank. Not captured, you can't see it anywhere, not traceable, apart from the banks. You have the IFMIS software cash book, which was not properly maintained. There were no revenue cash book for cash transactions. The expenditure cash books include both cash receipts and payments and bank receipts and payments on the same column. Now you have lease or rent agreement. You cannot provide your lease or rent agreement. Do you see this? So there were serious issues raised. But that's why I asked you, for instance, your financial statement for 2021, your expenditure. You have personal emoluments. You had spent in 2021 $7,499,909.83. You must have all the vouchers for this. You have pensions and gratuities, $420,805.75. There should be vouchers for all this. Consumption of goods and services, $4,953,327.13. There must be vouchers for this. Finance cost and charges, $27,824.64. Capital development expenditure, $6,977,385.22. So you have your total expenditure being $19,879,250.47. You see this? Correct? You have seen this?
I have seen it, yes.
So even what you have as, no one can even know exactly your development expenditure, which should be 60% of your development budget.
Well, on the issue of development.
No, first on the issue of this expenditure, you will have to be able to be in a position to provide, together with your Director of Finance, all the vouchers totaling $19,879,252.47.
These vouchers are there.
I am not saying they are not there. I am saying that you have to provide them.
Yeah.
You understand it?
Okay.
Now, you have a strategic plan for 2021?
We have a strategy plan, yes, I think for 2021, either 2021 or 2020.
Please provide all the strategic plans you have had, if any.
If any, yes.
For the period that you have served as CEO.
CEO, yes.
You have an establishment register that's complete?
Establishment register, yes.
Up-to-date one?
Up-to-date one, yes.
A fixed asset register that's up-to-date?
Yes.
Fixed asset register?
Fixed asset register. It's with our planning director.
Yes, but your former CEO says that was not updated.
When I was there, it was updated by the planning director, and he is having the register.
Okay.
Yes.
You will help us in getting that fixed asset register. I know you don't have companies, do you? Third-party companies?
No.
Okay? Now, last question. The governance issue in relation to council. What is the relationship you have as CEO overseeing the staff, the regular staff, with the council, who is represented by the mayor or the chairman? In your case, is the chairperson. Now, what is the relationship you have in governance? Do they have a say in how the council operates on a daily basis?
The chairman?
Yes.
Well, for the chairman, they are on the political side of council.
They are not only political side of council.
I'm coming.
Okay.
They are on the political side of council.
Yes.
And at the same time, anything that we are doing, we have to sit with the chairman to inform him. And if there is any other meeting or council meeting, anything that has been done will be said in that meeting to inform everybody in the council.
Actually, that is not the role of a chairman or council. Do you understand? When they say you are answerable to council, it means the reporting must be effective. That you don't have the sole discretion to just administer the area council in the manner in which you want it to be done. There are some things that you cannot do without the authority of council.
Yes, yes.
You know.
Very clear.
Yes, but you are not acting in that way in Kerewan, unless you are doing it solely with the chairman and with that understanding that they are not going to exercise their authority, but you have the sole discretion to authorize expenditure.
Who, the chairman?
Yes, unless he accepts that you do whatever you have to do, and he will just ratify your actions. But you cannot just decide how you run the council alone as CEO. You take instructions from lawful instructions from council and from the chairman where the need arises. I'm saying this because there is a threshold when it comes to finances, for instance. There are committees responsible for various issues. Like, for instance, establishment committee for employment, they make recommendations. So you don't have monopoly over these committees or these decisions. So do they have a say in the governance structure, the chairman?
They do have, but at times when we are doing anything, at times we'll just inform the council.
Who was the chairman?
M.I.L. Bojang.
Were you having regular meetings with the chairman, our CEO, and your staff?
We were having meetings regularly.
Do you have minutes of these meetings?
These meetings, the minutes are there.
The minutes of, is it senior management meeting?
Even the council meeting.
No, not
even the council meeting.
I'm not referring to the council meeting.
Normally, when for senior staff's meeting,
yes,
that one is done, but not frequently. But the council meeting is taking place frequently with the committee's meeting.
Now, does the chairman authorize some of the expenditure that you will embark on?
No. I cannot remember.
How about council itself?
Yes.
Before expenditure?
Yes, because the distribution of rice,
yes,
that was done in Kerewan, the council was fully aware.
Not aware?
They authorized.
Before you withdrew the money?
Yes.
Only that one, but the rest is your discretion?
No, I mean, that one I can fully remember.
I know, but the rest is your discretion?
No, it's not my discretion. The other one that was done to buy 200,000, that was, we bought rice. That also was from the council, and it was given to the councillors.
1%. I'm just saying the daily management of the area council, buying rice, buying laptops, buying XYZ, the food that you eat on a daily basis, some of the expenditures that you do, paying for the hiring of bulldozer, these are just entirely your discretion. Right? As CEO.
That one, I can say yes, but anything that we are doing, it goes through the council, and my planning director will go around And in fact, at times, it's the chairman who used to call us to tell us that this place is full of. Yes, so you need to go there and take care of it.
Right.
Yes.
Chair, I see it is 3 o'clock. We will need an extra hour tomorrow morning to finish with the witness, just 1 hour or 30 minutes.
Thank
I
you.
feel
Thank you.